entire extensor digiti, now many people say digiti minimi for this one, does not survive. Just its tendon survives right now. See, there it is.
What is that?
The extensor digiti minimi, or some people would say extensor digiti minimi, it's a separate extensor for the fifth finger, which also has its own private extensor. They're right there. What's next?
Extensor carpi ulnaris.
Okay, the extensor carpi ulnaris. Now the ulna is deep to this. That's the extensor carpi ulnaris, right there. Okay. Then now for the supinator, to show the supinator, I have to move these out of the way over here. It's deep, so I have to push the extensor digitorum and the extensor indicus to one side and the extensor carpi radialis muscles to the other side, and then in there, see right there, with the silvery fascia on it, that is the supinator. And yeah, then it's inserting on this. That's the shaft of the radius. Okay.
Extensor pollicis longus.
Now that gets us to for the separate muscles for the thumb. The thumb has all its own private muscles. That facilitates more separate mobility for the thumb necessary for things like opposition and stuff like that. Okay. Now, the thumb is called the pollex. And then the adjective form of pollex is spelled Pollicis, which I pronounce pollicus. So, but you can say pollicis if you want to. And then here are some of the muscles. Now there are also separate muscles for the thumb on the ventral side too, but here are the ones on the dorsal side. First of all, there are two extensors pollicus muscles. The extensor pollicus longus, that's this one, it inserts more distally on the thumb. And the extensor pollicus brevis, that's this one. And the rest of its tendon should be here somewhere as well. I'm not going to spend the time hunting for it right now, however. It is broken, but I think I have the rest. There it is. Here's the rest of its tendon right there. So I would put that back. And then notice it's the two extensors pollicus muscles which border the anatomical snuff box. And then just lateral to that, right over here, there is this one. The abductor pollicus longus. There's also an abductor pollicus brevis, but it's ventral. Okay? Then here are the metacarpal bones. In between the metacarpals, there are muscles called interosseous muscles, like that. And they're in between all the metacarpals. These are called dorsal interosseous muscles. There are also ventral ones as well, but you have to look for them from this side. Okay, so what time is it now? Okay, I think we're going to stop now. Then that means we still have to do this.